Hello everyone, today I'm going to test my 4-ways virus remote control kits. I have bought this kit very long time ago and I haven't used it before and I need to test it before I use. And let's get started. And firstly, I'm going to describe the components a little bit. And this is our base remote and this is our base receiver. And our base receiver have 7 pins in itself, and the first pin is ground, second pin is 5 volts, and also we have 4 different data pins, and the last pin, I mean the 7th pin, is test voltage pin. I connected my LEDs to every data pin, and also I am feeding my circuits with my programmable voltage supply, and we will supply our circuits with 5 volts. And let's get started. Okay, I am giving the power. Okay, when I push the button A, the green LED is lighting, and the button C is blue, and the button B is red LED, and also button D is the yellow red. Yes, you see, it is working really properly, and I wasn't expecting these components are going to work that much good. And that's it for today. Thank you very much. See you.